Hello and welcome. So this is CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart, Germany. This is a Just Camp Active T7052 EB. Got 5 sleeping places in it, which is quite a lot, and it's going to be a bit of a squash. So claiming 3.5 tons, 740 by 294 by 233. If you're tall, it's pretty good. It's 213 centimeters of standing space. 85,000 almost in price. And let's have a look inside. Right, so there's sleeping for 2 up there, but it's quite nicely done, that bed like that. As I come inside, obviously under the bed you're not going to get that 213 centimeters of standing height. In fact, the only place you're going to get this 213 centimeters of standing height is where I am right now. So okay, there's a step there, and let's move to the back. Well, I've wasted the space around there. I've got some storage at the back there, and windows at either side. I could put some more storage in here, I think. This thing here will slide down, like slide across, and then that thing there will come in here. Under this, we will find on this side we have got a wardrobe, and on the other side we have got another wardrobe as well with the fuses. I do like to see the fuses inside the van. Here we have got a shower with a nice place to hang your socks up on. Note, contoured here, so that gives a bit more space in the shower should you need it at the back. That's very clever. Go at the other side, got the toilet, and maybe this goes up. Nice looking toilet in here. Yes, very attractive, with a big window for a toilet. And over here we'll find we've got a curtain, so if you want to have a bit of privacy, you can pull the curtain across like that. These things here are for catches. I can't understand the point of that at all, but I'll show it anyway. Under here you'll find you've got this. You see this thing here? This here, that's a net, and you put the net up to stop yourself falling out the beds forwards. Can't see the point of that. I'll demonstrate in another video. In fact, I've demonstrated in several videos so far. 2 burners, which is all the rage these days. There's your sink, and under this got a bit of storage and more storage. Pointless thing here, look at that. And here we've got the fridge, and in the fridge we'll find nice lot of space in there. And now this bed will come up and down. You must put these things on to hold it in place. I forgot the other day, and it sort of came down and touched my head whilst I was driving, although mine's at the front. So anyway, here we've got more storage, a lot of space there. Now this is an important thing here. I'll show you how the bed works, but you need a key, and I haven't got the key. All the keys incidentally are the same. If you ever lose it, you can actually get a replacement. Under here we've got storage, and oops, oh, I don't like that. Well, having said that though, it looks really chunky. No, this side here, it's worth pointing out that when you put this thing down, you have to lift this up like that. So you see, so that sort of drops down over there. And you can make another bed with down here as well. Don't like a step. I like to have a flat floor. And you know that thing I said about 213 centimeters of standing height? Not really true, is it? I mean, yeah, I don't have a particularly positive opinion of this van, actually. I mean, if they give me one, I'd be happy to use it, but it doesn't appeal to me at all. We'll have a look at the us. And oh yes, well that appeals to me, to put the bike in the just to demonstrate you can get a bike in here, and that's a relatively tall bike at that. In the rear, I think it's about 150, if I remember right, 150 kilos of weight in this vehicle. It does tell you not to overload the axle when loading this space, but it doesn't tell you how much is overloading, which would be good to know, I think. Anyway, so Just Camp. It's called Just Camp because you can't do anything else with it. Oh, it does have a nice door with a window in it. And so good. I think I've covered that one. And so if you found that interesting, thank you. It's well, I'm not terribly impressed, but then again you might be. You might want to have a look at if you've got a camper van or a motorhome. A project I've been working on for some time. I'm just one of at least one of the lesser important people in this. We've got an app called Camper Manual. That's MANUL. You can get it from the App Store. It's an app which tells you how to fix things when they break on your motorhome or your camper van. The heating's not working, so boiler's bust or appears to be bust, you've got a leak of water from somewhere, electricity's on the blink, whatever. You're possibly, not possibly, you will find the answers in there if you're in Europe or Australia and New Zealand. We've got more than 5,000 solutions to problems of this nature with European manufacturers, so you might want to have a look at that. The thing about it is, of course, that it saves you a fortune when it comes to taking things to a mechanic. Your fridge is not working, it's some really simple solution, and the mechanic will charge you what it would cost you, probably for the rest of your life, or maybe I'm exaggerating a bit, but several years use of the app. So you might want to have a look at that. So thanks so much for watching. I upload every day at 21:15. I also have a membership of this channel for those who are interested. It's got several hundred videos which are for members only, so the members' benefits such as assistance when things you might want to buy a vehicle or something like that, so I can offer things of this nature as well to people. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. All the best from me in Germany, and so we're getting the vehicle cleaned. So, bye for now.